how to get those 3D animated Fortnite characters on your thumbnail, and I'll show you guys how to do that on your phone. So go to Play Store, and this app supports iOS as well. So go search PixArt. There you go. It's free. It's totally free. Just download it. This app supports iOS and Android as well, guys. So if you're iOS users as well, follow this tutorial. Right when it's done, open the software. And you'll be able to see this menu over here. Basically, just connect with Google or create an account. And when you logged in, you'll be facing this menu, not this one, but this one over here. And basically just click the plus sign and scroll down where you see color backgrounds and you want it transparent. And here we go. To make it more convenient to make this a PNG file, right? To make it more convenient to add it to your thumbnail, go to Tools, Resize, and make it to 1280, because for thumbnail it's normally 1280 by 720, so it's better to have this PNG image to be 1280 to have the same height. So go to stickers over here. If you did not find it, stickers, there's a bar over here, and click on stickers, and you'll be able to, and then you'll be facing this cover. Go over here and tap this magnifying glass and search Fortnite. And there you go. Here's a lots of animated Fortnite skins. And you basically just pick the ones you like. For example, this one. Over here. There you go. Check. And save the pictures. There you go. Done. And then you basically just gotta go to your photo editor. Mine is Photoshop, so and basically just add it in. Add a background, pick that one, and add your PNG. It will be in a folder called, where is it? PixArt. Here it is. And there you go. And that's how you add animated 3D Fortnite characters on your thumbnail. It's really easy. There you go. That's how you do it.
Make him spicy, Papa.